Hey guys, Scott Flip Customize, and today we're changing headlight bulbs. It might seem simple, but on these Dodge Ram Classics, it isn't that easy, and I'll show you why. Okay, it's not a simple job, but it's not a horrible job. With some basic hand tools, you can do this right in your driveway. But honestly, the easiest way to do this is to take the headlight out to change the bulbs, and I'm not even kidding when I say that. In order to do that, you have this rubbery plastic piece on the top that's gonna come out. It's just got like, I don't know, 6 of these little push pin clips that you can pop out of there. This will come out of the way. We're gonna have some 10mm fasteners on the grill here to take the grill out. Then the light's gonna have 2 10mm here, and then another one hidden in behind this panel. Oh, there's another push pin there. And there's another tabby thing you gotta lift up in there. So let me get this off. Then I'll show you where the fasteners are for the grill. All right, I have one of these tools here that you can get underneath these clips here and pop them out. But you don't need that. You can do it with a screwdriver. You can do it real carefully by pulling up on them. So I just wanted to kind of show you that. They do make them. They make them plastic as well. Just so you're aware they're out there. All right, guys. So as far as the grill goes, we pop this right out of the way. Now you get to the grill fasteners, and you have one here, one there, one there, one there. And then down low, we got some 8s down there. You don't take all the way out. You just loosen. Those, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. There's one there, and I believe just one there. And I think down below, it just pushes in. You can kind of pull this out. And then you can get to the headlight fasteners. All right, once the fasteners are out, this does just pop off. See, it's just clipped in there. And then in the bottom, you can kind of pull it outward like this. I can't do it with one hand. And then you can take the grill right out of the way, and then we'll be able to get to the headlight screws. There's one here, and there's one down there, and then we'll get to the one in the panel in the back, which is actually just a clip. All right, guys, once you take this little clip out of the way, you can kind of get in here and see this. So it's not that screw. I'm trying to shine a light on it. You see that white tab hanging down right there? You simply push up on that white tab. So it's a clip. You push up on it, and that headlight now, because I just pushed up on it, should in fact come out. Ugh, and I don't want to drop it, so I can't really do it one hand. So hold on, let me put you down for a second. Get a handle on this thing. The headlight is now out. So it's basically, that clip clips onto the top here. That's a little snap in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. And then your 2 screws on the front. Then you can get to your bulbs, or your fasteners to get to your bulbs. But you can actually unplug the whole assembly. There's a plug in the back of this thing right here. And you can take the whole headlight and set it on the bench and work it that way as well. So it may be easier for you to do it that way. All right, I unplugged the headlight assembly so we could just set it on the bench and show you. There's a cap behind it. I don't know if they all have this cap. This is a 2023, so the older ones may not have it, but it's there. It's just some 8mm fasteners. You take that off, and then you can get to your headlight bulbs. Your high beam and your low beam are both right here, and those are just twist lock. You just untwist it and pull it straight out, and out it comes. You can go ahead and change those. And then assembly is simply just that in reverse. We put it in, we turn it, then we put our cap on, and then a headlight assembly back on the truck. All right, guys, you get your bulbs changed, you get your back piece back on if you have it. You're gonna go ahead and clip back in your headlight. It's just literally one clip, which is kind of neat that they do this. And then you're gonna push the headlight completely in, and you're gonna feel it snap in, okay? Right here, that's it, it just clicked in. And then you're gonna go ahead and you got a screw here and a screw here to put back in, and that clip inside. So you pushed it up before, and now I can't literally get my hand and the camera in here. So I'm hoping you can hear it when I move it. All right, I found it. My hand's in here, GoPro's in here. It's that white clip, and I'm gonna now push it up. Actually, no, wait, I'm gonna pull it down. Sorry, I pushed it up to take it out and pull it down. I think I got it. That's it. So up is off, and then down is on. That's it. She's in. And the nice thing about this, your short fastener goes in the top, is you didn't mess with the headlight aiming or alignment at all. So that is a complete assembly. So it's going back exactly where you took it out. So you're gonna tighten these 2 10mm down. You had plugged in, you pushed your headlight in. Next goes the grill, then the very top piece, and it's done. All right, guys, as far as the grill goes, the bottom clips in first, then the top pushes in. So I'll kind of try to do this with one hand. I actually got some weight to it. So I gotta kind of tuck behind a light here, but basically, you're gonna tuck the bottom in like so. There's a lower clip down there. You will see, it's right here. There's a slot it goes in. And that just literally gets pushed in, and then the whole thing pushes inward and upward, okay? Sorry, I didn't shake it with my hand. Let me set you down again. All right, so that's in, that's in, that's in. There. Then we got our lower 8 millimeters on the sides, our 410s across the top, and then it's just our final piece that we're putting in. But it's worth mentioning that your outer 10s, they're a coarse threaded screw. It just go into plastic, and the inner ones, they are an actual machine screw, so don't mess those up. You're gonna screw up some threads. So go ahead and tighten those down, and we'll put the very top piece in. And this overlay literally just does that. It overlays in here, and these push pins just gonna get pushed right back into place, like so. And you just do that along the entire front of the truck, just like that, and then you have the entire thing installed. I know it wasn't like a super fun video, but a necessary one. For all those people out there that got the classic Dodge Ram, so that all the way up to the new ones. This is a 2023. In order to change that headlight bulb, you're gonna wanna take the assembly right out. It makes it way easier. So I kind of walked you through the steps here. It's not horrible, and you can do it. And honestly, once you get the headlight assembly out, it's not bad at all. So I hope this helps some people. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Scott from Flippin' Customized.